Ever wondered how to synchronize your Exchange folders with multiple mailboxes? Well, let's delve into this mystery with the help of a tool called ExMixedFolders. ExMixedFolders is a notable service for Exchange Server capable of synchronizing folders within the Exchange Server structure or between two Exchange servers. It can be installed remotely or directly on the Exchange server, giving you the flexibility to access the Exchange online server or work directly from the Exchange server. Now, how does the synchronization process work? First, install the ExMixedFolders service. It can be set up by an administrator, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can configure it yourself via Auto-Discover, similar to configuring an account in Outlook. Once the service is installed, it silently works in the background, synchronizing default elements like calendars, contacts, tasks, and emails. The user whose Outlook folder is synchronized doesn't need to interact with the service at all. ExMixedFolders offers a host of benefits. It can synchronize public folders with folders in the personal mailbox, company contacts, or global address lists. It can even back up Microsoft 365 mailboxes or single folders and synchronize calendars or other message folders into user mailboxes, making them accessible on your iPhone or Android. It also supports syncing folders from different Exchange servers and can even migrate mailboxes between cloud and local Exchange or data between various cloud providers or Exchange versions. ExMixedFolders is also a great tool for team collaboration. It allows you to merge employee calendars and share a public contact folder with all your team members. Moreover, it can synchronize folders between two Exchange servers, enabling synchronization of public folders between two companies with different domains. But that's not all. ExMixedFolders can also synchronize Office 365 or other Exchange online server contents. You can use this program to sync Microsoft 365 or any other Exchange online providers, allowing you to work on both systems while the sync is running. In conclusion, ExMixedFolders is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of synchronizing Exchange folders with multiple mailboxes. It offers a wide range of features, from syncing public folders to migrating mailboxes between different Exchange servers, making it a must-have tool for any IT professional.